We came for Kuala Lumpur's famous Claypot rice, but minutes later, a massive storm changed everything. We have 2 beef and 1 chicken, please. If you are new here, we are a full-time travel family from the UK exploring the world. If you like what we do, then do subscribe to the channel, like our videos, and engage with us in the comments. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. Are you thinking of spending a few weeks in Kuala Lumpur? Then in this video, I will show you exactly what to expect with the weeks you want to spend here, from transport to street food and to daily life, so you don't come unprepared. Join us, let's do this. One of the easiest things to do is to take an MRT, which is metro, and this is what we have here. But unfortunately, this one doesn't go to town from where we live. So we're just going to show you how it is like, because this is our first time coming down here actually. And I think that's announcement or advert there. And you see how clean the place is. The whole place is very, very clean and spotless. I was just contemplating if I should take the escalator. This place is so clean. Oh my goodness. So basically this is 𝐁𝐮𝐬𝐬𝐄𝐚, Malaysia Design Development Center. Okay. And that's the map here. So this is the map. Okay, so if you want to go to Batu Caves, stop at, let's say, yeah, Kampung Batu, and then you change to Blue Line to Batu Caves. And I was just trying to find out where, oh yeah, so this is Conley. It goes up and then comes to, or it goes down to Putrajaya Central. So let's just see. Okay, so if you have tickets, you just go through. Okay, there's a ticket office here. Oh, this is amazing. Ah, and it's cool here. Oh, and these are the machines. Okay, let me just show you quickly. This place is so neat. It's so wow. Okay, so platforms there, platform 1, platform 2, Pasar Damansara. So this is it, guys. Okay, so this is Conley, and if you want to go to, so that's the last stop south, and this is the last stop north, Pasar Damansara. Okay, this is great. It's so easy to use. So that is that for the MRT, guys. There you have it. See how awesome this place is. It's 15 minutes walk to Bukit Bintang. We're going up again and then walk to Bukit Bintang. Today it's going to be kind of a long vlog. Let's go. We're going to Bukit Bintang, guys. So we've decided to take a grab here because it's so hot. We are in a taxi right now. My mic is not working, so bear with me. Yeah, so we've arrived here and it's very, very fast, but traffic is still, it has started creeping in. So basically sometimes it will take some minutes to get here. It's a Monday and it's 3, so it's 3 o'clock. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. So what we are going to do is get a quick snack to eat because we haven't eaten anything. After gym, we went to the swimming pool, the rooftop swimming pool, and yeah, we are coming to, show you daily life here. So this is Bukit Bintang, and as I said, my mic isn't working. Apparently, I charged it, but apparently it didn't charge. So bear with me with all the noise that's going on, and my ears are blocked from the cold. Yeah, let's do this. You are lost. So we are here to eat some roti. Which ones do you want? Chicken and beef. 1 beef. Chicken. Okay. Can we have 2 beef and 1 chicken, please? So it's 18.50.
Pay by card?
Paying by card, yes. Okay, stand. Thank you. Okay, let's go. The ticket for you is the same wrapping, so chicken. This is chicken, so that's his. And this is beef, which is ticked. It's spicy. The flavor is very nice. Lisa is getting herself an ice cream. Oh, it's in there. You want? Oh.
You haven't seen this before, have you? I've seen it.
Oh, really? You take card.
Ah, yeah.
Okay. So that's 24 ringgit. So we spent 18.50 on the roti and 24 on the ice cream. Just tracking what we're using. The cost for you as well. Okay, so it's raining and we are just contemplating what to do because the rain here is very heavy. It's just like a tropical rain. So what we are going to do right now is just wait under the shade where it says Bukit Bintang entrance. Oh, they cross even when it's red. Okay, let's go.
Hepsi zaten kanka
And
olmuş
see.
onlar.
This is very, very unfortunate. And normally wouldn't say it's going to rain or it wouldn't rain. When it says it's not raining, it might rain. The one time that we didn't bring our umbrella. So, yeah. Let's see how the rain goes. And then, yeah, we'll continue our journey because at this minute we're going to take a grab to Pudu area to eat some Claypot rice. But we are still thinking. We're coming to wait here to see how the rain falls, like how heavy it is. If it's very, very heavy, we wait, go into pavilion, sit somewhere and wait. Yeah. So we've decided to go. So we're going to the Claypot rice place, which is in Pudu. Yes, we have booked a grab because the way we see this rain, it's not going to rain too heavily like normally. So fingers crossed, when we get there, we hope there will be a shade for us because their rain is heavy, as I said. So let's just hope there'll be a shade at least for us because they are not opened yet. Or maybe by the time we get there, it will be opened. That would be lovely. So don't go anywhere. We are going to try the Claypot rice, which is the authentic Chinese Claypot rice for the first time. Let's do this. I'm so happy. I just hope the rain won't beat us. That's my hope. Okay, we are in a taxi now, heading to the Claypot rice place. Don't go anywhere. How do we go about it? I think we sit down and we order. We want outside here actually. This one is one. Yeah. No, four. Four. I'm saying four like that. So we placed our order and I didn't really know exactly what to do. But they'll bring you their paper and you choose the meat you want and also whatever you want to add as extra. So when it comes, we'll let you know. So I like the fact that they are serving us fast. Even though there are so many people here, they are bringing our stuff. But maybe, let me just wipe the table a bit. Because I chose a place where I wouldn't disturb people eating. I wouldn't put the camera on people eating too much. So we've got this here. I think it's soy sauce and chilies. I've tried it before and it's nice. So this is what we have here. And this is the address. So basically, that is it here. I saw it online. So basically, I checked Google and see which ones have nice reviews. And if the food is to my liking, then I'll come and try it. That's what I do when we travel. See your cheese. Chiki. So our drinks are here, the iced tea, and you pay cash here. So I should say most of the places I've gone to eat, it's cash, as in the Jalan Alor street food place, in some places, and here as well. So unless it's in the mall, then it's card. But normally the hawker store places is cash. Yeah, so have some cash on you, because that's what we've experienced here. Cash and card is about 50-50. Beautiful. So this is our Claypot rice here. It's so hot, piping hot. Oh, this is hot as well. Wow. So you've got the steam coming out, the spring onions, the rice at the bottom. It's at the bottom. Oh, the soy sauce. Sausage, because she asked if we wanted the Chinese sausage, and yeah, the chicken is there. Guys, we are going to try this one. Ooh. This is just amazing. So we are making payments now. It's 44. This rice and chicken, sorry, and the rice. We're going to try the Claypot rice to see how it goes. So you mix it together. You can add your extra, I don't think I need extra soy sauce, but I need chilies. Is it hot? Oh, it's very hot. Oh, okay. And then to add our chicken. Okay, they are fighting with the flies. So let me just enjoy my food. It's hot. This is very yummy. This is very, very yummy. So just as we had our food and we took a few bites, then the storm started. There was this wind that gushed where we were sitting, but we didn't take a video of that. But all of a sudden, there was this huge storm and rain just coming our way. So they had to rush us in, which they did very, very well. The sad part is I left almost all the food. And what we were left with was just eating some of the chicken. The food is so amazing. I would have to go back and try it out. It's raining so heavily. I hope you guys can hear it. Someone is fighting with the flies. Some white flies here. You have to come in. See, it's raining. We are stuck here. We are stuck. We are stuck. I'm enjoying the rain. The sound and everything. Some of these kids. Someone is enjoying the rain and eating as well. Guys, it's raining. Wow. house it rains. No. The flies are tormenting my son. Listen. Nice. The rain is coming here. Oh, so everything is wow chaotic right now. Yeah. Is that what the monsoon is? Yeah. Oh wow.
First time.
For the first time too? Oh, okay. Wow. This is serious. I haven't witnessed something like this before.
People they know also can pull up.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I see. But when we check the weather, it says no rain.
Yeah. People get no one.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Guys, we are about to curtail our day to go to the hotel because the way it's raining, it's serious. Windy, rain, and I haven't experienced such rainfall. It was kind of scary. We hope we were able to show you some things before the storm hit. What really stood out for you? Let us know in the comments below. And also, would you visit Malaysia or Kuala Lumpur in the rainy season? I really want to know your thoughts in the comments below. If you think the storm was crazy, wait till you see where we ended up next in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and engage with us in the comments. Thank you. You know what? Travel, learn, explore. See you in the next one.
I know you and me are safe.